Chapter 16, Managing Information and Technology by Harrison Butler. Learning Outcomes 16-1. What are the basic elements of computer technology, including hardware, software, and networks? 16-2. Why is cloud computing increasing in popularity? 16-3. How does data become information and how do decision support systems provide information for decision making? 16-4. How have internet-based technologies changed business to consumer and business to business commerce? And finally, 16-5. What are the problems posed by rapid changes in internet-based technologies? Information technology. Explosive change. Computers and communication hardware and software have changed dramatically over the past 30 years. Flash memory devices are as small as a fingernail and can store up to 128 gigabytes of data. That is more than 10,000 times the data that could be stored in a 1950 disk array. Hardware and software. Hardware is the physical components used to collect, store, organize, and process data. Software refers to computer programs that provide instruction for a computer to perform a task. System software performs the critical functions necessary to operate the computer at the most basic level. Application software. Application software is software that helps users perform a desired task. It is broken down into two parts: horizontal market software and vertical market software. Horizontal market software applies broadly across markets or industries. Examples include word processing, spreadsheet, and personal information management software. Vertical market software is designed for a specific industry or profession. Examples include brokerage firms and product designers, more specifically computer-aided design, CAD. The Internet and the World Wide Web. Considered the greatest network stories of the last 2 decades. The increased availability of broadband internet connections has fueled the popularity of internet applications. In 2010, 66% of all U.S. households had a broadband connection. That has risen 3% since 2000. Intranets and extranets. Intranets is a network that has the same look and feel as the internet but is limited to a single firm's internal web servers. Extranets are open intranets that provide limited access to a certain group of stakeholders such as key customers and suppliers. The role of the IT department. Many business organizations have an information technology IT department to manage their information resources. The role of the department differs for every company. It is broken down into 2 types of roles: strategic and operational. Strategic is all about making key decisions about technologies, while operational lets their departments make decisions that functional groups support. Cloud computing uses internet-based storage capacity, applications, and processing to supplement internal computer resources. Businesses have been reluctant to embrace cloud computing because of security and reliability. Some of the advantages include financial benefit, flexibility, encouraged collaboration, and processing speed. Information technology and decision making. Managers need information to make good decisions. Databases store files in a logical system. Characteristics of good information: accurate, relevant, timely, understandable, and secure. Using information technology to improve decision making. Decision support systems provide access to data and the processing power to convert the data into information. Data mining. Use sophisticated statistical methods to analyze data, discover relationships that had previously been hidden. Expert systems guide decision-making process that integrates knowledge of expert through diverse types of systems available, in which individual systems deal with narrow sets of issues and can be time-consuming to program. Information technology in the world of e-commerce. B2C, business to consumer. Businesses and final consumers interact. E-commerce, using the internet to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. B2B, business to business. Businesses buy from and sell to other businesses. Key differences between B2C and B2B e-commerce. This chart demonstrates the key differences between B2C and B2B e-commerce. Challenges and concerns arising from new technologies: malware, spyware, computer viruses, worms, spam, phishing, and farming. Works cited. The following work sites were used to produce this presentation: